this is Simul, and once again welcome back to my YouTube channel on English with Simul. And friend, just now I'm learning English speaking, and I am improving my English speaking, as well as you are also learning from my channel. So if you are new here, then please share, like and subscribe my YouTube channel, because this YouTube channel always create very important topics and very interesting videos for all beginners who want to learn English. So you have to subscribe this channel. I am learning English speaking just talking native, and I watch YouTube videos every day because I want to change my intonation and I want to speak like native. In this way, I'm learning English speaking from basics, and I watch YouTube videos and I use that story and the topics in my daily life, and I try to speak, I try to think, and I try to talk like English. So I'm learning this language. If you want to learn this language, then you can do your routine, and you can also follow me how I'm learning. You can also learn like this. For learning English speaking, first of all, you have to record your voice and listen to your voice again and again, and try to speak like an Englishman and try to speak like a native. And in this way, you can improve your English speaking power skills, and you can develop yourself. And for learning English speaking, you can also make a video and record a video, and you can watch your video again and again and try to check out your video, where is your mistake and what is your mistake and how are you speaking English. You can check like this. Okay, in this way you can also learn English. Okay, so I am learning and I am improving and I am talking and I am speaking English nowadays.